So, you wanna ditch those tinny TV speakers and finally hear where those footsteps are coming from in your favorite Xbox game, but you're stuck trying to connect your Logitech G432 headset. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you the simple way to get crystal clear game audio and chat in seconds. First things first, grab your Xbox One controller. Take a close look why does it have a 3.5mm headphone jack right on the bottom. If it does, great, you can skip the next step. If not, you'll need an Xbox One headset adapter. This little gadget plugs into the bottom of your controller and provides that crucial headphone jack. Okay, now grab the 3.5mm audio cable from your Logitech G432 headset. Simply plug it directly into the headphone jack on your controller, or the headphone jack on your headset adapter if you're using one. Make sure it clicks in securely for a solid connection. Now, power on your Xbox One and head over to the settings menu. Navigate to audio settings. You might need to adjust the volume levels and chat mixer settings to get the perfect balance between game audio and voice chat. Experiment to find what works best for you. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy immersive game audio and crystal clear communication with your Logitech G432 headset on your Xbox One. Happy gaming!